Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different than what I normally post here on YouTube. A couple months ago, Foreo contacted me and asked me if they could send me their product so I could try it out. I usually like to do my research before somebody even sends me PR packages because I just don't want to keep receiving those products and not use them, So I went on their website and I just wanted to explore and see what they have, and I was shocked. I remember looking at these products and thinking they looked so different and unique and out of the world. They were also called UFO and Luna and whatnot. So I agreed to try these products out, and when I received them, I was pretty intimidated. The packages looked too pretty to be even opened. So I would just look at it and I would think, okay, so I'm going to try it the next Monday. And then a week would pass. Then I would say, okay, next Monday it is. And never happened till recently. If you didn't know, just like me, Foreo is a Swedish company headquartered in Stockholm. And they have the most unique beauty and skincare products. And I wanted to share with you my experience of using this consecutively for 7 days. But before that, I have a couple disclaimers. This video is not sponsored. In fact, they didn't even ask me to make a video. They just sent it to me as a PR package. I wanted to make this video. Any skincare product should be used for at least a month to notice a difference in the way your skin feels and looks. This video focuses more on my experience as a first-time user of Foreo, how easy is it to use their products, and my experience of using the products for the first 7 days. The lighting in the video is not consistent because I had to shoot this over a 7-day period, and sometimes in the morning, sometimes in the evening, and sometimes with my cell phone. When I shot it in the morning, I also used natural light, so it looks a lot more brighter than when I shot it in the evening. Sometimes I had to turn on my studio lights, so just keep that in mind. This video is as raw as it can get. I wanted you to see what I was seeing over the first 7 days. So please ignore my funny looking pajamas. There's nothing glamorous about it. If you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post new videos every week. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to be informed every time I post a new update or a video. Go ahead and open the packages and I'll see if the instructions are inside these. For support, I think this has a serial number, so let me go ahead and scratch that out. It comes with a little pouch as well as a USB cord. This is a quick manual to show how to get the Luna up and running, and there's also an instruction booklet. I think I'm just going to go online and I'll see how to use this, and I'll also download the app that they have. I think I need to register the product as well, so let me do that right away. Okay, so this is the cleansing brush side and this is the massager, and I think you can add and subtract the intensity levels. It's personalized, so whatever you like, you can either make it more intense or reduce the intensity. So the Luna 2 is more like a home spa system which has a cleanser as well as anti-wrinkle, anti-aging massager. You press this button once and the cleansing brush turns on, so it starts vibrating and you start cleansing your face. And then you press it again, it turns off. You press it again, the massager turns on, and then you press it again, it turns off. It's a silicone device and it feels really soft and nice, and the bristles also feel pretty luxurious. It's not harsh or anything, and nice thing about it being silicone is it doesn't collect any bacteria, and it's very easy to clean this up. The UFO, on the other hand, is a 90-second smart mask treatment. I usually have my facial masks on for at least 20 minutes, but this claims to do everything in 90 seconds because it has device-activated formulas like heating, cooling, and T-sonic pulsations. It also claims that it can brighten your complexion and it can kill acne-causing bacteria and erase signs of aging, and I want all of that. It comes with a manual, it comes with an extra sheet mask, a USB cord, and a stand. The Luna and the UFO need to be charged and activated before you start using them, and the charging lasts for a long time. I think a 2.5-hour charge will last you for about 40 uses or so, so that's pretty good. It's day 1 in the morning. I stopped using all other skincare products because I wanted to give this a fair shot. And I'm going to be using the UFO with the morning mask. All I have to do is detach the ring on top and put the mask in, put the ring back on and turn the device on while I have the app on, and the app takes care of the rest of the stuff. Each mask has a barcode in the back, so you can scan that and it'll tell you how much more you have left in stock before you have to order any more.
Activated mask to your device by clipping the attachment ring into place with the Foreo logo facing up. Use a circular motion as you gently glide evenly.
The mask can be used on your face and neck, and the day mask is made with hyaluronic acid as well as red algae, and as we know, it has incredible anti-aging properties. After 90 seconds, the device stops because it's completed its treatment. At this time, you can repeat the treatment or stop the treatment. In the evening, I started off with the Luna and then moved on to the UFO. First, I'm using a cleanser on the brush side, and I'm going to cleanse off my face. The Luna helps you work in sections, so once it feels like you're done in one section, it beeps and then you move on to another section. So all the sections of your face get equal attention. I'm going to quickly rinse off my face and the brush. And for the massaging side, you need to use a massaging cream or a moisturizer. I've been absolutely loving the new Pixie Vitamin C lotion, so I'm going to use this. I'm going to apply it all over my face and neck. I'm going to apply a generous amount. And then I'm going to press this button one more time so the massager turns on. In instructions, it said that you can use the Luna for up to twice a day. And I can see why. The bristles are really soft, but anything with bristles or anything that feels like a brush, I prefer to use it not more than once a day because it's still exfoliating your skin and you don't want to do too much of it. The massager, of course, is very relaxing because of the delicate vibrations. So if nothing else, you really feel relaxed at the end of the day when you use it. Next, for the UFO, I'm going to be using the nighttime mask, and this is made from ginseng and olive oil. These again have incredible anti-aging properties. They are anti-inflammatory, they increase your skin's elasticity, they're antioxidants, and ginseng in general is thought of Korea's best medicine. Long before I even knew about Foreo, I used to drink ginseng tea. It helps to boost your immune system. And like they say, if you can take something internally, you can apply it on your skin. Also, the warmth that you feel from the smart mask feels really good. Unlike when you just apply a sheet mask on your face, it feels a little cold. But this feels warm and it feels really good on the skin. It's day 2, so I'm going to repeat the morning and evening routine. I don't see much difference in the way my skin feels. It just feels clean because I did a complete nighttime routine last night. But other than that, there's absolutely no change. So we'll see how the rest of the day goes. In the evenings, I prefer to use the Luna first because when you exfoliate and massage your face, the toxins and the dead cells are removed from your skin. I wanted all that to come off my skin before I use the mask. Okay, so it's day 3 in the morning and I observe small bumps on my face and I'm assuming that it's probably the toxins that's coming off of my skin. I could be wrong, but there's nothing else that I've changed, so it has to be it. So it's day 3 in the evening and I'm just starting my nighttime routine. I figured I might as well use my cell phone because I'm exhausted and I don't want to sit in my studio. It's day 4. I still have those tiny bumps here and there, but it has reduced since yesterday. But it didn't really bother me. I could still use the mask and the cleanser and everything. Today is day 5 and the bumps are almost gone. I just have a couple here and there, but my skin feels really soft. Perhaps because I've been doing this non-stop every day and night. I haven't skipped a day, so obviously consistency is the key and it makes your skin look good. Today is also the day when I'm extremely comfortable using both Luna as well as UFO. I remember on first day I was so intimidated looking at the products, but now I'm in that comfort zone. I can close my eyes and use them, no problems whatsoever. The highlight of day 6 is I woke up in the morning and the first thing that my husband told me is, "Your skin looks good." I don't think he even knows that I'm using the new products. He just said that my skin looks good, so that's a huge compliment. Today is day 7, and here's what I felt. Because I've been using the products consistently, the texture of my skin has improved drastically. My skin feels fresh, softer, and tighter. In terms of complexion, there isn't much change. I think that takes a longer time to notice a change, but because my skin feels softer and it looks more fresh, maybe it looks more brighter. But over time, I can see my complexion improving. In fact, the overall skin health improving because the Smart Mask has all the right ingredients. And with that, I will be cleansing and exfoliating as well as massaging my face every day. So it's almost like having a home-based spa system, which you use on a regular basis. Price-wise, it's a bit pricey, but again, it's an investment in looking good. It's not a one-time use. It's something that you have with you and you change your lifestyle to use it on a regular basis. Now, would I buy other products from Foreo? Yes, I love the products, and it's one of those things where if you're a Mac person and you kind of get hooked to one of their products, you buy other Apple products. So it's almost like that for me. And more than anything, I don't have to depend on somebody on the outside to do my facial and my massage. I have a whole system at home, so it's comfort level as well. Now, should you buy it? That really depends on how far you can stretch your budget, how comfortable you are. Are you more of a DIY person like me? So there's so many factors that you have to keep into account. So I'll leave that decision to you. So it's a very personal choice, but I hope this video was useful. When I posted the PR package on Instagram stories, so many of you wanted my opinion on Foreo because you wanted to invest in their products. So I hope you learned something new. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment and let me know your thoughts. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new video. Bye, guys.